of Leonie being here. It's morning. I like my quiet mornings, so we'll have to see how this goes, but I'm very quiet. I'm a very quiet person, and I like quiet mornings.
Oh, I love my mornings. It's so great here at Carol's. It's quiet. I love quiet. I know Carol likes to talk a lot, but, you know, I just like my calm and my quiet in the morning. Just make some coffee, make some lemon tea. Yeah.
Here we go. It's morning coffee. Yeah. Morning, Leonie. I'm gonna have a coffee. Get a coffee, so nice and quiet. Morning.
How did you sleep?
Really well. How do you sleep?
It's good. I was just reading a quote this morning that you sent. Oh, just about some seed cracking open and growth. And
I remember that quote. I do remember that quote.
Listen, I need some quiet.
Oh, yeah, me too. Totally.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.